Ever wondered if your money is truly safe with a digital-first business bank like Novo? It's a question that's top of mind for a lot of entrepreneurs and freelancers. You've heard the promises of no fees and seamless integrations, but when it comes to your hard-earned cash, you need to know the bank is more than just a slick app. You need to know it's secure. So, how safe is Novo Business Banking, really? Let's break it down. First and foremost, a key piece of information that gives Novo a huge safety boost is that it's not actually a bank itself. It's a financial technology company that provides banking services through its partner, Middlesex Federal Savings. Why does this matter? Because Middlesex Federal Savings is an FDIC-insured institution. This means your deposits are protected up to the standard $250,000 limit per depositor, per ownership category, in the unlikely event that the partner bank fails. This gives you the same level of protection you'd get from a traditional brick-and-mortar bank. Beyond the insurance, Novo employs standard bank-level security measures to protect your account. This includes things like industry-leading encryption to keep your data safe and real-time fraud alerts so you can monitor your account for any suspicious activity. They also allow you to freeze your debit card instantly from the app if you suspect it's been lost or stolen. Now, what about the potential downsides? As with any online-only service, a common concern is customer support. Some users have reported slow response times for non-urgent issues since the primary way to get in touch is through email or in-app messaging, not a phone call. While they do have a dedicated line for fraud, for a less urgent problem, this could be a point of frustration. There have also been isolated reports of sudden account closures, though these appear to be exceptions, not the norm. It's a good reminder to always keep copies of your financial records, no matter which banking service you use. So, is Novo safe? Yes, your deposits are FDIC insured, and they use robust security measures to protect your information. But it's important to weigh that against the potential drawbacks of an all-digital service, especially when it comes to customer service. For many digital-first entrepreneurs who don't need cash deposits or in-person banking, the benefits of Novo's features and fee structure often outweigh these concerns. It's a trade-off between the convenience of a modern fintech and the traditional feel of a physical bank. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.